In this quick video, I want to show you how to connect your Claude or ChatGPT AI agent to Copyhero. With that, you can first use Claude or ChatGPT to configure the Copyhero system. So you can have changes in mind that you want to do to your product listing process, and you can iterate on that using Claude. But you could also start the listing process right from your Claude chat interface instead of having to go through the Copyhero interface. And to do that, you had two integrations, and then right here you also have or already have the AI assistant configuration URL you need, and we click on copy and head to, for example, Claude. And on Claude right here, we head to settings and then to connectors, connectors right here, and then to customize. And right here we can create a new connector and add a custom connector right here. We should name it Copyhero so you can find it later on, and paste the remote URL you have right now. Then we click on add and click on connect right here. We'll be redirected to the login page and click on accept. And now we are back to Copyhero or to Claude, and we can see Copyhero is configured here. And once that's set up, we can, for example, ask what stores are connected to my Copyhero account. It might prompt you to allow the tool, but in general it should always ask this if needed. So you click on always allow, and we'll keep that in mind and don't ask again. And right now it shows I have one store connected, and this is configured correctly. And right now I can, for example, start a product import from here. So when I go to AliExpress, and this is not what I wanted, AliExpress, and search for some addresses again. Let's take this one right here. Import this product with my AliExpress workflow. This is basically the workflow we set up in the tutorial series, and it will now figure out the steps it needs to take to import this product to Copyhero. This might take some time depending on the model you use and the mode you use. It will first check what jobs are available, and as you can see right here, we have the fashion example. I'm not sure if it's able to figure that out. I thought I had AliExpress in the title, but let's see what it does. Alright, and just like that, it started the job, kicked off the import, and we can check in Copyhero. Right here, the job is now running and the product is being imported. What you can also ask the tool to do is, for example, if you have a problem with the product page, let's say you don't like the title or you don't like the specifications, you can tell Claude to update your workflow, make sure to give it the correct name of the workflow, and to adjust the workflow so that, for example, the title is always shorter, longer, different writing style, stuff like that. Claude can handle all of that, and you can basically work with Claude directly with Copyhero.